Welcome back to Unit 4, Algebra 1. We're going to look at point-slope form. It's another way of showing a linear equation. We've looked at the standard form and the slope-intercept form. It's a great one to use in geometry, and you use it when you're given the coordinate of a point and you know the slope of the line. This is the form that the point-slope takes. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Here's an example. We're given the point 3, negative 2, and a slope of 1/4. We say y minus a negative 2 equals 1/4, x minus 3. We clean it up because a negative times a negative is a positive, and it equals y plus 2 equals 1/4 x minus 3. They're going to ask you to take the point-slope form and turn it into the standard form. Here's the equations for both of them. If they give you the point and the slope, first you need to put it in the point-slope form, and then we need to get rid of this fraction. If you don't remember how to do that, go back and watch the video on the standard form. I think it's the part 2 video. We're going to multiply 3 to get rid of the 3 here, and that leaves us with 3 times y minus 1 equals negative 2 times x minus 5. We're going to clean it up a little bit more. Okay, that's the equation we had on the previous slide. Now we're going to clean it up, distribute the 3 out, distribute the negative 2 out, and then move them to the same, we're going to move the constant over, and that leaves us with y equals negative 2x plus 13. Now we have to move the x over to that side to get it in the standard form, and we now have ax plus by equals c. It's your turn. In your notes this time, I want you to take the point negative 5, 1 with a slope of 7, and I want you to take it from the point-slope form to the standard form in your notes. So I will be looking for that. They can also ask you to take the point-slope form and turn it into the slope-intercept form. Here's our two forms. If you need to go back and watch videos, you can do that on this. So they give us 2 points. We first set it up in our point-slope form. Clean it up. Okay, so now you have y plus 3 equals 3/2 x plus 3/2. So now we have to move this over because we need to get the y by itself. So when you put the 3 over, ladies and gentlemen, this looks like the same, but this one is a plus 3/2 and this is a minus 3/2. So make sure you're putting this in and doing the math correctly in your calculator. And now this is in the form of y equals mx plus b. It's your turn. You're given the points 4, negative 6 with the slope of negative 3. I want you to take it from this point-slope form to the slope-intercept form. Fortunately, there's only 3 forms for the linear equation that we're going to learn in Algebra 1. So this is the last one that we'll learn. So see you next time.